Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, this is a little bit of housekeeping. Scalextric sent me a car to test. It had a wonky wheel. They sent me one with 4 straight wheels, and I did say I'd give this one a fair run around the track with the magnet in, and then take the magnet out and try it again, see what times we get, and then run this one against it, which I've changed the wheels and the axles and various bits on. And then maybe, because maybe these tyres don't like my track very much, might try a couple of PCS tyres on this and see if we can get an even better time out of that. So the easiest way to do that on a Carrera digital track is to get a couple of these Carson chips, which, you know, you put them out of one car, put them in another. These were in Legends hours ago. They'll go in here now. They'll probably go back in the Legends afterwards. So yes, they're a direct plug and play swap. I'll put one of these in each of these, and then we'll go to the track, run them round and see what sort of times we get. This is track test 1, standard Scalextric car, straight out the box, magnet still in, done nothing to it. Right, I think that's about all I'm going to get out of it with the magnet in. 6.2 seconds. Yeah, it's okay, but obviously the Scalextric guide is not great in the Carrera track. And with the magnet in, I've got no indication when it's going to let go. It just suddenly lets go and flies off the track. So I'm going to take the magnet out, have a little bit of a look at it, see if we can get it to run a bit smoother and give me a bit more of a clue what it's doing when we take the magnet out of the car. So this is track test number 2, standard Scalextric car with the magnet taken out, nothing else done to it. I'm expecting this to be a bit of a slippery fish, to be honest with you. Well, 9.57 seconds. That's better than I was expecting, to be honest with you. I might just give it a bit of speed spit on clean the tyres and just give it one more lap and see if we get any better than that. So we clean tyres, I think 8.256. That's not too bad, you know. I mean, it's only actually 2 seconds off the time with a magnet in it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scuff the tyres up a bit at the back, see if we can get a bit more grip on them, and then we'll come back and we'll do track test number 3. Track test number 3. Standard, out the box, Scalextric car, magnet removed, tyres sanded, nothing else done to it. Okay, we've roughly sanded tyres so they're a bit more round and a bit more grippy, down to 7.1 seconds. And as you could see towards the end there, once there was a little bit of dirt back on the tyres, quite a bit of drifting fun as well, and quite controllable once I got into the rhythm of things. So now I'm going to pop a little bit of weight in it, and I'm going to have a little bit of look at the guide because it keeps sticking. So I need to sort that out, pop a bit of weight in, and we'll go from there. So, final track test, 7 grams of weight in the middle, because I don't think it needs to change the handling characteristics. Just weigh it down a little bit. And some sanded tyres, and no magnet. Other than that, still fairly box stock, really. So there we are. Once I managed to string a few good laps together, 6.539 seconds. So that is only 0.3 of a second off the car with the magnet in it. So just for fun, let's run the previously modified car around the track. I expect it to do a bit better because I changed the guide over and it's much more suited to the Carrera track. So let's see how we go. So there we are, having sat dormant for about a month, straight back on the track. That car also 6.7 seconds just running like that. Now, Wayne at Car Fun Mostly did suggest to me that maybe the tyres that are on this aren't the best tyres for this track. So I'm going to try and put some PCS F22 tyres on it, which are quite good on this track. And I'm going to run it again and we'll see how we go. So there we are, that proves I was trying, doesn't it? And that lap time went down to 6.214 seconds. Now, just remind me a minute. What was the time for the magnet car? As always, thanks for watching one of my videos. If you liked it, you will find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel, it really does help and it's free. If you hit the bell, you'll get a notification the next time I post a video. And check out this channel.